Have you ever imagined a world where machine can think, learn and communicate like humans? Welcome to the era of ChatGPT, where the boundaries between men and machines are blurring faster than ever. As we probe the depth of this AI powerhouse and reveal the startling truth in our report.
So we are here, the Team Insight Squad, to give the insight of the artificial world.
Objective is to create the world where AI is used for humanity to ensure benefits of all, ethical AI development to address concerns like bias, safety, misuse.
In education, healthcare and various industries, we want to create such an environment where human-AI interaction becomes more sustainable and easier.
OpenAI mates can be applied across diverse fields like healthcare, education, customer service, and entertainment.
OpenAI models automated repetitive tasks, assist with content creation and coding, increasing efficiency.
OpenAI provides APIs that make advanced AI technology accessible to businesses, developers, and researchers, fostering innovations.
OpenAI models support various languages, enabling global communication and breaking language barriers.
OpenAI model like ChatGPT excel in natural language processing, enabling tasks such as content generation and coding assistant.
No internet access. AI can't access internet, due to which it cannot provide real-time information to us.
Lack of creativity. OpenAI responses can be coherent and sound, but they may lack innovation and originality.
Ethical concerns. OpenAI AI models can be misuses, which raises ethical concerns.
Lack of emotional intelligence. OpenAI may have difficulty in understanding and responding to subtle nuances in communication.
Human error. OpenAI models are run by humans, which can lead to human errors and incorrect predictions.
OpenAI can rather inaccurate or waste particulate because it is trained on the large data sets.
Hi, I'm Akansha. I'm taking a survey of AI. So, how familiar are you with your artificial intelligence?
Very much familiar.
Okay, name the some tools that you used or
ChatGPT, Bard AI, AI bots.
okay, thank you.
Excuse me, I am taking a review on OpenAI. My name is Kavya. And what do you think about that AI has increased in your productivity?
AI have actually helped me a lot. It have helped me to reduce my efforts and have helped me to increase my productivity so that I can do lot many tasks in a lesser amount of time.
Okay, thank you.
Excuse me. Hey, I am Komal and I am taking survey on OpenAI. Have you ever used AI tools?
Yes.
If yes, which one?
Yes, I have used many tools like ChatGPT for research specific works, for professional assisting Alexa, and for learning.
Hi, I'm Anshika. I'm getting survey on OpenAI. So what concern do you have about AI?
We also know about the AI. We something about know that like artificial intelligence, and we can say open AI is also connected to the not only simple part, that it also create a very beneficial part in human life and also create the very large amount of risk part in human life. So something like that.
Hello.
Hi.
I'm Neha and I want to take report on AI, OpenAI. So
Yeah.
how do you define AI on your own words?
What I believe is like AI is a tool, or you can say an algorithm that makes computer as intelligent as human.
That's what I think.
Excuse me, I'm Radha and I'm taking a survey on OpenAI. And my question is, do you trust AI to make decisions on your behalf?
Trusting AI is blindly faith, but informed confidence as it lacks human judgment and empathy.
Lower standards and constructive feedback. AI is lower, it affects all of us. OpenAI should follow international safety standards to make sure it's critical everywhere and honestly, listening to user feedback can help make it even better.
AI has so much potential, but it is useless if very few people can afford it. OpenAI made their technology cheaper so that every people can afford it, no matter from their background. It is a very amazing technology and it has so many benefits.
Responsibility and ensure accountability. With great power comes great responsibility, right? OpenAI needs to ensure its tools are used ethically. If something goes wrong, they should step up and take accountability for it.
Collaborate with educators. Imagine if teachers and governments worked hand in hand with OpenAI. Together, they could create smarter educational tools and policies that could prepare us for a future where AI is a part of everything.
Enhanced transparency. AI impacts our life in so many ways, and people deserve to know how it works. OpenAI should focus on being more transparent and sharing how decisions are being made, and ensuring everything is ethical and clear for everyone.